making a hamburger cake today, and we are actually in the AR workshop.
So AR Workshop's just right down the hill from my office. I'm in the Windhurst community, and Jessica Campbell, that's the owner here, has had you in a few times to actually host a cake decorating class. I'm excited.
I am
Let's
too.
get started.
Because we're making a hamburger, okay, we're trying to make the cake look as much like a hamburger as we can without, using that much fondant and stuff. We wanted to kind of keep it buttercream. So this is going to be cool. So right here, what we're working on is the top of the hamburger bun. So the very top piece. So here, I'm going to give you this tool here, and
my magic wand.
Yeah.
Ready to go.
We're going to add some buttercream here on the side, and I'm just going to have you just smooth it out all around here as I go around, and anything extra that you have, you can just put it right into this bowl of frosting here.
Okay. This is one of the things I was telling Gabrielle before we got started. My little sister, this was like her dream job growing up. So there was a local grocery store called Food City. And Food City was set up to where in the bakery, they had the cake design like front and center. So it was like, when you were a little kid, that would be the thing you would always beg to go by the bakery first because they would give you a free cookie.
Oh, yes.
I mean, like, why not? Just
would be
go
me.
ahead and entice you in right there because they know you're going to leave with more.
Yes.
We talked about this when I had you on my podcast.
That's right. That's right.
Our kind of foray into trying to decorate with that was for my oldest daughter's first birthday. And we did the gluten-free, dairy-free.
Okay, what I think we'll do now is we're going to start assembling the hamburger. So we'll just take this off here, scooch this guy off, and then we're going to take this one. Yep, you can just set it right there on the board. Awesome. Okay, so this is the bottom. So now what we're going to do is put together our hamburger. And I thought we should do more than just one meat patty. We're going to do two. Okay, so this is going to be a jumbo big hamburger. So I'm going to give you the first part here.
All right.
Okay?
Got my first meat patty.
There you go.
Look, I mean, really? Like, that's enough to feed a family of 4 already.
That's right.
And we're just going to place it right on
Right
there.
on top. Yes. Perfect. Wonderful. There you go.
Okay.
And it's amazing how much this chocolate cake looks like a meat patty. It's just kind of amazing. So the next thing we're going to do here now is we're going to add some cheese.
You can't have a burger without cheese. I'm sorry, it's not possible.
That's right.
You shouldn't do it.
You shouldn't do it. And this is fondant cheese. So Andy, go ahead and take this, and you can just peel it off of there.
Well,
and you want to put it on so that
I'm going to drip it off the side.
There
right?
you go. Like it's melted. Yes. That's perfect. Awesome. Yes, sir.
All right.
And here's another piece.
Same thing.
Yeah, you can just put it right next to it.
Do the same thing over here as far as dripping off the side.
Perfect. Yes. You guys see that? Isn't that amazing? Awesome. Okay, so now we're going to do the second patty here. The second one. There you go.
Okay.
You can put that on top of there. The more you do, the more it's going to look just like the real thing. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make the layers kind of stick together.
Okay.
If you don't put buttercream on top of this, it will slide off. So now what we're going to do is add some buttercream. So if you would just squirt a little bit on the top of that.
So when I first saw this bag, I thought it was special sauce.
No.
I thought this was going to be like...
Oh no. Yeah, it looks kind of like that color though. But yeah, you don't need very much. Just a dollop is fine. Now you can set this on top of that. Yes, sir, there you go. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna cover the border with lettuce. We're just gonna kind of go up here and just go around like this. And we're gonna make some lettuce just like that.
Okay.
Okay? And if it falls, don't worry, I can fix it.
Now if you're watching right now, one of the things I wanted to make sure of is for anybody that's watching, be sure this cake is going to go to somebody special. And I told Gabrielle that I said, you know what, normally you just say like, share for a chance to win, but I wanted to take it a step further. And I wanted to say, tag the person that you think should get this cake. And hopefully they can win this cake and just cheer them up.
Yes, and brings them joy, right? Because, who wouldn't be happy if they got a cake? I know I would. Especially a cheeseburger cake. Like, that's so awesome. That's great. right. Good job. You're doing an awesome job. Okay, I'm going to turn it for you while you're going.
Are you going to turn? Because I'm
Just
not
a
going
little
to
bit.
do this one-handed. All right, so
Wonderful.
whoever gets this, I'm sorry, you're going to be able to clearly see the side that Gabrielle did versus me.
No.
But this is
This
just
is
because I
awesome.
liked more lettuce on my side of the burger.
That's good. So next.
All right.
Now this, of course, is mustard, right? You have to have mustard on your burger, right? So here, all you gotta do is just add little squirts.
For me, it's going to have a little bit of mustard that's just kind of dribbling out here.
There you
Maybe
go.
a little bit that's over here under that cheese.
That is awesome. You got it, man. That's perfect. So now what we'll do, maybe in between the patties, we could even add some ketchup there too.
Yeah.
What do you think? Maybe
we
like
can.
you're here, add some color. Or even on the bottom too.
I'm going to do a little bit on the bottom, and then we're going to do
That's
some in between there.
Oh my gosh, this is so great. Andy, you are just a pro. Check you out, man. You could like dominate in cake class, I think.
That would be my problem. Would be I would get no cakes made because I would eat them. It would be like the
Oh,
I
no.
Love Lucy episode where they're eating the candy off the line.
Oh my gosh, check this out. I totally think you have a future in cake decorating. What do you guys think, right? This is
Yeah,
amazing.
give a thumbs up if you think you would eat this cake.
Totally, man. I know I would. Well, great. You did it. Bravo. That's
It needs one more thing
awesome.
though.
What else do you think it might need?
I think maybe it gets a little bit of love on top. Maybe some sprinkles. Maybe it looks like some
sprinkles?
sesame seeds.
I think so. That would be the total icing on top of the cake, right? This is
So
perfect.
when I saw Nathan go through and he was doing his sprinkles on the side, oh no.
No, it's okay.
It's
We
all
got
right.
it.
I've got to find a way to set it a little bit.
Yeah, last time we went live, we were doing the shark cake, and Nathan was just throwing them on there. But now we got them going all over the place, and that's what happens to me all the time. But we have a good time, right? Sprinkles makes everything fun. That looks amazing! Awesome! Well, guys, thank you so much for watching today. It's been amazing. You guys remember what to do. Just like and share this video. And I just want to thank you so much for coming today.
Absolutely.
It was awesome!
Absolutely.
Amazing!
And be sure to go out, support AR Workshop.
There's so many beautiful things to do here. It's just such an awesome shop here.
Well, thanks so much for having me.
Absolutely. God bless you. God bless you guys. Take care, okay? Bye.